Welcome back my dear friends, this is Engineer Arif. I am going to release a new series of SolidWorks video tutorials for my beginners friends. Let's start learning. Today, I'm gonna show you how to design a very simple part using SolidWorks 2018. Oh yes, just do me a little support, subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for getting notification of new releases. Let's start. Click on the new part. Now select top plane. Left click and select Sketch.
First I will design the horizontal part and then the vertical part. As you can see, the overall dimension of the top view of the part is 120 mm by 100 mm. Now take corner rectangle command and draw a rectangle.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Rectangle length is 120 mm and width is 100 mm. Now we will make this vertical part. Take straight slot command.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Distance is 70 mm. Distance is 60 mm. Distance is 30 mm. Radius is 15 mm.
The sketch is fully defined. Press OK.
Now we will use fillet command. Fillet radius is 20 mm.
The sketch is fully defined. Press OK. Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Use depth 20 mm.
Press OK. Left click and select Sketch.
Press Ctrl+8. Now take corner rectangle command and draw a rectangle.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Length is 120 mm. Height is 30 mm. Now we will draw a straight slot. Take straight slot command. Distance is 80 millimeters.
Now select Smart Dimension.
Distance is 20 millimeters. Radius is 6 millimeters. Height is 30 millimeters.
The sketch is fully defined. Press OK.
Now we will use fillet command.
Press OK. Now go to the Features menu and choose Extrude command.
Reverse direction. Use depth 20 millimeters.
Press OK.
Press space button of your keyboard and select isometric view.
Congratulations! This is the part which we are trying to build.